Alright, welcome to today's class. We have this question on the board: 4x raised to the power 2 minus 21, 4x, and 4 raised to the power x plus 80 equal to 0. Now, how do you think you can solve this question? Very easy. Now, why this expression in a convenient way? For example, you can write it like this: 4x raised to the power 2, 4 raised to the power x raised to the power 2 minus 21 times 4 raised to the power x plus 80 equal to 0. Alright, just like I told you before now, what you need to do next is to make 4 raised to the power x a particular variable, because you can see it's common there. So you can do something like this. Let 4x equal to a. Alright? The meaning of this is that 4 raised to the power 4x will be replaced with a anywhere you see it in the equation. So you have a squared minus 21a plus 80 equal to 0. Automatically, this becomes a quadratic equation. Alright, what do you do with the quadratic equation? You solve it, of course. Alright, now you ask yourself, what numbers will I multiply together to give me 80a squared and add together to give me minus 21a? Now, I'll give you the number direct. We have minus 16a and minus 5a. So that we have a squared minus 16a minus 5a plus 80 equal to 0. What you need to do next is to factorize 2 by 2 like this. Okay? So what we have a bracket a minus 16 minus, factorize the minus. I told you before now that whenever minus negative sign is starting an expression, we're going to factorize the minus. And not 5 in this case. So you have 5a minus 16 equal to 0. Alright? So the next thing is to factorize. What you're factorizing here is a minus 16, and you're left with a minus 5 equal to 0. Now, you can break it up. This one equal to 0 and this equal to 0. So what you have is a minus 16 equal to 0, or a minus 5 equal to 0. So basically, what we are saying is that a equal to 16 or a equal to what? 5. So again, we can easily get our answer now, knowing that our a is actually 4 raised to the power x. So you go ahead and have it this way: 4 raised to the power x. Replace the a with that. So we have 4 raised to the power x equal to 16. So we have 4 raised to the power x equal to 4 raised to the power 2. Right? So our x equal to 2. The other one is not that direct, but let's have it anyway. So we have 4 raised to the power x equal to 5. And we have, now when you want to do this, there's no exact number as such that you can raise to power of exact number as such that you raise to power with 4, that will give you 5. So what do you do in this case? You apply log to both sides. So when you apply log to both sides, you have something like log 4 raised to the power x equals log 5. Now, 4 raised to the power x, according to the law of logarithm, this x comes to this side. So you have x log 4 equal to log 5. So you have x equal to log 5 over log 4. So the question is, what is log 5 and what is log 4? Okay, log 5 is 0.699, alright, and log 4 is 0.6021. You divide it around your x. The value for your x is 1.16. So at the end of the day, our value for x after solving this equation is equal to x equal to 2 or x equal to 1.16. Say this one more time. Thank you.